What if I told you that giving milk mixed with onion powder to your plants can work wonders? But wait, the real question is, how much is the right quantity? Too much can harm your plants, while the perfect amount can unlock powerful growth. Let's uncover the secret. Start by taking 1 spoon of onion powder. Add it into half a cup of milk and stir until it blends smoothly. Now dilute this mixture into 1 liter of clean water. This balance is key, enough to deliver nutrients without overwhelming your plants. So, why does it work? Milk is rich in calcium, which strengthens cell walls and supports steady growth. Onion powder adds natural sulfur and antibacterial compounds that fight harmful fungi and pests. Together, they form a natural shield while boosting root strength and leaf vitality. To use, pour the solution directly at the base of your plants, avoiding the leaves, so the roots can absorb the full benefits. Apply once every 2 weeks, and soon you'll notice brighter leaves, healthier stems, and stronger resistance against disease. Remember, plants don't need excess. The right quantity at the right time creates the magic. Nature always rewards balance, and with this simple mixture, your garden will surprise you.